Alright, so I was going to take a couple pictures of this, but I think it's going to be just as easy to make a quick video. I was asked on Honda ATV forum about installing the filter on this spark arrestor screen, or, well, it's to prevent intake backfires, basically, and it's to keep the filter from squishing together. This particular filter is for a 300 Honda, but most Hondas are going to be the same. I know the 450 Foremans use the exact same filter, so yeah. Here's your screen, here's your filter. The end with the screw goes in first. It's a bit of a squeeze to get it over. Kinda gotta be careful you don't tear the foam on the filter doing this. And there. Now on the back, there's gonna be a hole in the UNI filter for this bracket. Like so, and your clamp just goes back over like that, and we'll switch to the other camera and I'll install it in the bike. Alright, so we're at the bike. Take your filter, screen on the inside of the intake, filter itself over. Your bracket sits right on that piece of the air box. Put your screw in. Like so. Tighten your clamp. Airbox lid. Back on. That's on. And you're done.